What's good? There they are. Hey, what's good? I'm Ozma Calafia, and this is a growing corn experiment update video about the guerrilla corn, which is what I'm calling the 2 pots from the growing corn experiment that, they're the 2 pots from when I repotted the initial corn experiment. And I'm calling them guerrilla corn because I'd previously referenced them as guerrilla corn because I'm planting them out in a place where I don't have permission to plant them. And this is just like a little part of Treasure Island that is kind of abandoned to an extent. There's like, I don't know, it's kind of like just a there's like trash, but there are these beautiful fennel bushes, and yeah, I thought it was a good vibe to put the corn right here because got some nice fennel bushes on both sides. But now that I'm looking at this, it's really hard to see. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. Oh no, Hapa fell over. Okay, so there's aloe. Okay, you can't really see, so I'm gonna try to get a a light source from the vehicle. Okay. Just hold tight. This might be boring and whatnot, but it's just, you know, life is boring sometimes. Okay. Okay, yeah, here we go. All right, so this video is almost over, and I think I'll just end my videos for today with this video because I don't want to be here right now. But yeah, anyway, here's the corn. Check it out. It's got its tassels. Can you see that? So yeah, it's flowered. Both of them have flowered, and they're starting to produce little corn cobs. Little whatchamacallits. Oh, and these right here are the those are the tassels that need to get pollinated. I was reading about this. So I need to come back here and like try to hand pollinate the cobs. But anyway, yeah, here's the here they are. They still okay. I'm using this piece of wood to or this like pallet thing to and I put a pine cone here just to have something to look at on the pallet. But I put the pallet here because I thought I'd put them on top of the pallet, but then it didn't make sense, and then I needed the pallet to hold them. See, I have the buckets kind of held against the pallet. This is some of the dead leaf from when I let them go dry a little bit. Yeah, but they didn't. Here's aloe. Still got that new leaf. There's Hapa in the back. I put Hapa back here. See, Hapa's doing okay too. Oh, if this video might die. The battery's almost dead, so this video might be over soon, but I'm going to try to take a bottle of water and water the corn. Okay, so I'll just put you right like that. Okay, I'm just trying to take the hold on, I'm just trying to take the lid off this bottle of water. All right. Okay. Oh. No, you don't want that. Okay. So we're just gonna put. Okay, it's okay. It's an LED light. Then it doesn't get hurt by the water. Probably. Okie dokie. So yeah. Let's water them real good. It's all part of the experiment. Girl. Okay, try to get some better visual on this. Yeah, there you go, Aloe. There you go, Hapa. You got some too. Did you get it? Wait. Did you get it? Yeah, she's okay. Okay. Yeah, so you can see kind of some of the burnt leaves from when I let her go, but I came back, kept taking care of them, and here they are flowering. So it ain't too bad. Yep. Okie dokie. Yeah, I'm gonna prove to you that I am going to take this trash with me, because I always pack out my trash. I'm Ozma Calafia. I always pack out my trash, and so should you. Everyone, just do that. Okay, so some trash. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this is today is a mess of videos, but I still made some videos, and I updated you on the space era calendar, and I confirmed that the guerrilla corn is safe and flowering. And yeah, I think that's a good place to end the videos for today. Hold on. Move that out of the way. Let me sit here. Okay, so yeah, I'm Ozma Calafia out here on Treasure Island, and these are my wonderful friends, Hapa, the Osage word for corn, and also Aloe is here too, but she's out of the frame. Anyway, goodbye, and yeah, I made a commitment to do this channel for the rest of the year, but I kind of want to stop doing this channel because it, well, I don't know, this channel's been okay, and it's better here than in my personal life. So honestly, yeah, I don't want to stop doing this channel because it is going better than my personal life, despite all the mess of it. Yeah. So I guess I'll just say goodbye at this point. Yeah. This has been Ozma Calafia on Treasure Island. Saying that's hella fucking weird. It's hard to live as a human being. It is really tough, and it's hard to accept yourself, and life sucks regardless. Some Indian guy named Siddhartha talked about that. Okie dokie. Yeah. I have all these projects that are serious projects, but I'm also out here because I'm trying to have fun. But I'm also out here because my life sucks, and I'm trying to navigate through it, and I'm trying to find a better path, and I haven't found it yet, but I'm still looking. So with all that being said, at least on this channel, I am Oz McAlafia, and yeah, for this video and for this moment, I'm gonna just say bye. And yeah, I'm just like not wanting to end the video because blah blah blah. So yeah, bye. Bye.